Okay, let's talk meditation. I know. Why meditate? Isn't that for like granola eating, tree hugging people? I mean, I eat granola. I only hug trees once in a while. I want to talk about meditation for people who don't meditate. Meditating is actually something that helps tremendously. It helps you feel happy like most of the time. Who doesn't want to feel happy most of the time? You can meditate like just in your everyday lifestyle. So some things that you can do for what I want to talk about, which is active meditation, is it's just waking up and spending some time in the mornings to meditate. It's doing different activities in your thoughts while doing the dishes. So there's going to be a little series that I'm doing talking about active meditation, ways that you can incorporate it into your day-to-day lifestyle. And yeah, that's meditation. It doesn't have to be spending a lot of time silently just sitting on your own and trying to quiet your mind. There's a lot of ways to meditate to bring relaxation and calmness and peace into your world.